Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a sizzling recipe. This is everyone's favorite and a perfect recipe for the summer. So let's see how to make this chocolate sizzling brownie with ice cream. And the chocolate sauce in this recipe is a simple homemade one. Let's start the recipe with brownie. Into a double boiler, add in butter and sugar and mix it till the butter is completely melted. Add in some cocoa powder and mix it. Cook this for 5 to 10 minutes and remove it from heat and allow it to cool down for some time. Then drop in 2 eggs, but one at a time, and mix it very well. Add in all-purpose flour, baking powder. Mix it really well till it becomes a semi-thick batter. Drop in some chocolate chunks. Here I have used dark chocolates. Mix it and pour it into a butter paper lined baking tray. Bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes. Now our brownie is ready. You need a square piece for a sizzling brownie. Now let's see how to make the chocolate sauce. Into a bowl, add in sugar, cocoa powder and some all-purpose flour and mix it. Now add in some water and mix it. Now instead of water, if you want, you can use milk. Once all the lumps are mixed in, you have to pour the liquid into a saucepan and cook the mixture till it becomes semi-thick. And this is the consistency we are looking for. Once it cools down, it will become more thick. Now just before you serve the sizzlers, you have to heat the sizzler iron plate and place it onto the wooden board. Place the brownie piece on top of it. Then add a big scoop of vanilla ice cream on top and then pour in the cold chocolate sauce. The sizzling sound is just amazing when the cold sauce touches the hot iron plate. Our delicious and sizzling hot chocolate sizzling brownie with ice cream is ready. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.